And this is just receipts of mine, like real receipts. This was 1 month worth of revenue for me. Do you see this? Look at the timestamps. This is a real screenshot of mine. I just kind of cropped it. I didn't show all of them, but 2:51 p.m., 2:56, 2:58, 2:59. So in literally 8 minutes, $726.07 in 8 minutes, y'all. Like, that's really, really wild because it takes some people 8 days to make that. So shout out to Fiverr for sponsoring today's video. You guys are about to learn how to actually grow your business and get more done. It is so important when you have a small business to finally just start delegating tasks to other people if possible. And I know it's super expensive and you're probably like, girl, nobody has the money to start hiring help, but I feel you. And you guys, I am finally hiring help for my small business using Fiverr freelancers. And I used to use Fiverr since 2021, but it was always more for like personal needs. And now I'm finally using them for business needs, which I'm super excited about because I have some things that I need to get done. And you guys, it is so expensive to hire help for a small business, as you guys already know, but Fiverr makes it super affordable to hire professionals to help you with your small business. And a few things you guys can use Fiverr for to get help for your small business is like social media outsourcing, because who in the world has the time to actually post every single day? I personally need help with this social media outsourcing, y'all, because it's super hard to stay consistent. You can get help with website needs, SEO, which is search engine optimization for your website, which is something that I'm going to be getting done. You guys can get blog posts written for your website, logo animations, or just logos done if you don't have one yet. You guys can also use Fiverr to hire a virtual assistant, and the list just goes on and on. So first, I'm going to be using Fiverr to hire a freelancer to build a sales funnel for my business. Having a sales funnel for your business is so important, and I've been putting this off for a while, and I'm like, I need to get this done, but I needed some help with it. Having a sales funnel for your business really improves conversion rates. You also have better customer retention. You're getting consistent sales. You have an improved strategy. You have a better overall customer journey because on a sales funnel page, you get so much information about one specific product. That's why the conversion rate is so high. You also get increased customer loyalty and so many more benefits. And now I'm about to go inside of Fiverr with you guys and hire someone to build my sales funnel, but it's going to be specifically for my digital products, because digital products and my like website, the handbags and stuff, it kind of doesn't mix together well. So I'm going to have them create a sales funnel for me that's only for my digital products, and it's going to have a very high conversion rate because I do make sales of my digital products on my website, but it's not as high as I would like it to be. Okay guys, so I'm inside of Fiverr. Now I'm just gonna search up sales funnel because that's what I need. So let's look through. Oh, and you guys can also budget if you want, like to say like this is my budget right here, which I would really say I have a budget. I would say mid-range. I don't know, I just kind of want to see, and then I'm gonna look at reviews because sometimes like if a seller's newer, they'll have a good rate, but they're really good though at what they do. So let's just look through. Okay, so let's see this one right here. I see that they're level 2, 45 reviews, a good like rating. I will design ClickFunnels, sales funnel, exactly what I need, landing page, website. Okay, and that's what I want to use. I want to use ClickFunnels. So basic, standard, premium. Let's see the difference. Basic is error fixing. Oh, okay, that's if you already have it, but I don't have it, so I can't do that. Standard 5-step sales funnel, email automation. No, I need more than that. Let's see, 6-step sales funnel, membership funnel, store setup, email automation. Yeah, this is kind of more what I need, so I'm gonna go with the premium one. 5-day delivery, which is really good. Unlimited revisions, like you literally cannot beat that. You get 7 pages, functional website, responsive design, content, upload, e-commerce functionality, payment integration, opt-in form, autoresponder integration, speed optimization, social media icons. Okay, yeah, this is cool. So I'm going to click that one. Before I do though, let me look at some reviews and see what they have to say. You know what? Actually, let's look at the portfolio because that's like super important. These look really good, and they have a big portfolio, meaning that they've actually got some things done. So they're experienced with this. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do them. Let's go with that one. Let's see. Okay, continue. And you guys, once he finishes the job, I'm gonna show you how it looks. So we're gonna look at it together. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see how it comes out. Okay, you guys, I have received my delivery. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and open it up and look at everything. I haven't had a chance to look at anything yet. So here we go. So here's a funnel link. So let's click this because I did get it from my digital products. So that means like my ebook. Oh my gosh. Master starting a business. This is exactly what I wanted right here. Like a sales funnel to specifically focus on one product. Oh my gosh. So you have boom, call to action here. This is how a sales funnel works, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Why you're not making sales yet? Oh, what you'll learn in this ebook. Oh my gosh, like I love this so much more than like I just had like a product listing on my website, but it's super low converting versus this. Because this gives all the information that someone would need. They have no questions after reading this. And these are real like images of mine that I gave him to show people like I have to show social proof. I have to show people that like I know what I'm talking about and I have actually lived through the experience to be able to share my experience with other people. So, oh my god, but look at this call to action again. How I scaled my business to 6 figures. This is my story right here, y'all. Boom. And this is the truth. I'm so excited, y'all. Why this ebook? Look at how nice this is. And then we got my customer reviews for my website. Call to action once again. And this is just the first page because, y'all, he can set up multiple pages, so I had him do multiple for different products. I also had him to set up my professional website build help. So let's look at that one. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so good and I'm happy. I told him that I wanted pink. I didn't even give him a specific color like of pink that I wanted, but he got the perfect color because literally I didn't want like a hot pink. I didn't tell him any of that, but luckily he chose like the right pink. But look at all of this. Oh, it looks amazing. Book your website build, your dream website designed for you without the hassle. Again, call to action. I gave him this right here because I made this little thingy to show people like I always do a website custom banner art for people like depending on your website, and I wanted to showcase that, and I'm just so happy that like this literally just it does everything. It's amazing. Why choose this service? High quality professional design, affordable pricing, free website banner art, stress-free process. Oh yeah, this is amazing. Call to action again. Another thing I gave him, like I gave him these images like this. These are my images that I gave him, and he just like basically puts the page together. Your website is more than just a page. It's your online identity, what people are saying, I'm saying logos, customer reviews that I got. Let's build something beautiful together. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so nice. Let's look at what else. I also had him do the business help call because like some people want more information. They don't just want to see like a product photo, which is literally, this is what I have on my website. Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you guys compared to my website, like what it is. Let me just show you guys the difference. Like it's a humongous difference. Okay. Like I have business help on my website, which I will keep this there, but it's just so much better. Like look at what I have. Business help call on my website right here. This is all they see. 30 minutes business help. I have like a little information here. You have access to me for full 30 minutes, how to prepare for the call. But you guys, look at the difference. Look at the big difference. Struggling to get sales, not sure where to start with your business. Let's fix that. You've been working hard in your business, but something isn't clicking. No sales, no growth, no clear direction. Or maybe you're ready to start a business but feel completely lost on where to begin. Book your call now. Like that's the first call to action. This is not the end. You don't have to figure it out alone. This is showing literally all this is my orders when I first started my business to now. And in just 30 minutes, we'll tackle your biggest business challenges so you can stop feeling stuck and start seeing real progress. Like what you'll get, ask unlimited question, website review and sales insight, actionable strategies. Like again, call to action. This is a 30-minute phone call. Da, 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 da. Anyways, like look at the difference. Do you see why a sales funnel is so much higher converting than a regular website would be? I'm just super happy with how this is coming out so far. And I have one more to show you guys, which is my one-on-one mentorship that I offer. Struggling to get sales, not sure where to start with your business. Let's fix that. Book your one-on-one mentorship. Y'all, Fiverr freelancers, they are the truth. Do you see how much I paid for this? Do you see how much I paid? That is such a low amount to pay for such work, seriously. But let's just look at my one-on-one mentorship sales funnel. Oh, I'm so super excited. You have a vision, but you're stuck wondering, how do I even start? Why am I not getting sales? How do I market my business and attract customers? You've tried figuring it out on your own, but nothing seems to work. The good news, you don't have to do it all alone. Introducing my exclusive one-on-one mentorship coaching program. This isn't just another online course or one-size-fits-all strategy. This is a personalized, step-by-step mentorship where I closely work with you to build, grow, and scale your online business. And this is the truth. So I'm so happy that, and this is just receipts of mine, like real receipts. This was 1 month worth of revenue for me. So, you know, things like this just to like help people understand that like I know what I'm talking about. I'm not just someone who started a business and has never seen money in my business. And I'm just like, you know, trying to scheme people basically. So it's it's really important to have real receipts on a sales funnel page. Look at this, why this mentorship is different. Imagine where your business could be in just a few weeks. This was one day, you guys, 3,000. This is one day, 61 orders. And are you ready to start and scale your business? Book your one-on-one mentorship. Look at this, you guys. Do you see this? Look at the timestamps. This is a real screenshot of mine. I just kind of cropped it. I didn't show all of them, but 2:51 p.m., 2:56, 2:58, 2:59. So in literally 8 minutes, how much did I generate in literally 8 minutes, y'all? Like, let me just get the calculator out, because y'all, this is real, and I can teach you guys how to do this. It is not difficult. If I can do it, you can do it. Trust me. Let's see, 259 plus 224. Actually, yeah. So 8 minutes, $726.07 in 8 minutes, y'all. Like, that's really, really wild, because it takes some people 8 days to make that. So yep. But what does this mentorship include? Boom, we got all the information right here, what people are saying. But y'all, sales funnels, get yourself a sales funnel, okay? And use Fiverr, because y'all, you see they know what they're doing for this low price. And this is how the delivery actually looks though. Right here, which is awesome. All the little pages he did for me, y'all. I'm super happy with how it came out. Like, I'm just so happy with it. Next, I'm gonna hire a Fiverr freelancer to set up my email marketing and my SMS marketing on Shopify. And I really don't know if I want to use Klaviyo or MailChimp, but I'm gonna see if they can help me decide. And you guys, email marketing for a small business is so important. Like, if you're not utilizing your SMS or email marketing, you are missing so many sales every single day. It doesn't cost much to send an email. Also, when you have your email marketing set up, it's like automation flow. That's really what I need help with, them setting up my automation flows, like my abandoned cart messages, or if a customer adds things to the cart and they leave, I need it to automatically email them without me having to do anything. But email marketing is so important because it increases your website traffic. It enhances your customer engagement. By increasing your traffic, it's increasing your sales. It's such a low-cost marketing technique, and it has a high ROI, which is a return on investment, because you're not spending a lot to send out these emails, but your investment coming back is so much higher than your spending. Now I'm about to go inside of Fiverr and hire someone to set up my email marketing for my website. Now let me look up someone to set up my email marketing and SMS marketing. And I've decided to just go with MailChimp, because I did my research and I see that Klaviyo is a lot more expensive if you have like a lot of contacts, and I have a lot of contacts on my thing because I've been doing this for years. So I'm gonna go with MailChimp because they also have really good reviews and they're pretty much the same. It's just I think Klaviyo has a few more advanced features which I don't actually need, so I'm fine with MailChimp. So I'm gonna see if anybody can set this up for me. So we're just gonna look through. There's so many sellers. Okay, so let's look at this one. I will set up Shopify, Klaviyo, MailChimp. So he can do either or. Email marketing campaign, top rated, 5-star, 258 reviews. So like, this is what he does. Like, he be doing this. I'm gonna compare the plans and see like, what do I actually need? Let me look at the reviews though first. Working with Anna has been a pleasure. It looks like he does quick work. So yeah, in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and just go with him. Basic, standard. I don't want to go with basic because you guys, that's like gonna give me nothing. 14 plus email templates, 6 e-commerce email flows. That sounds about what I need. Let me see premium and like what's the difference. 10 advanced automation flows. What's the difference? 6 e-commerce email flows and automation, 22 plus emails, templates. Honestly, this one is perfectly fine right here. So I'm going to go with this one, the basic plus 5 core email e-commerce flows. While I have you guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and let's continue. Okay, you guys, so this is the second delivery that I got from Fiverr freelancers, and this one was from NS. And this is the delivery he's showing. Like, he set up my browse abandonment flow. So if they're just browsing on my website and then they don't end up making a purchase, so that's awesome. Product review flow. Amazing to help me get product reviews, and I have noticed I've been getting more reviews in now because I have this set up, which is awesome. Win back series, recover lost customers, abandon checkout flow, and welcome new contacts. So welcome new contacts is the thing that will pop up like when a customer gets on your page to like sign up, put their email in to get email subscribers, and you offered them like a 5%, 10% off, and I have it as 10% off. So he added that discount in for people who put their email in, abandon checkout. This is awesome. And recover lost customers, like customers who just have not shopped with you in a while but they used to. So now I'm inside of MailChimp and I'm gonna just like look up and see what they did. So, and I say they because I also hired another Fiverr freelancer. You guys, I just went crazy with it because I was like, yo, I need help. So I had someone like set up an email template design, but I haven't even looked at what she did yet. I had a girl do that one, and I haven't seen anything yet for that, but it's okay. I just ordered that one like late, so okay, so this was a delivery from the girl that I had ordered from. I only spent $40, but she set up like a whole email template for me so that this is a template I can use whenever I'm sending out emails to my customers, which is awesome. Look how good it looks. So she basically, I didn't have to send her any photos or anything like that. So she just used photos from my website and she made the template, which is just awesome. But overall, you guys, I'm pleased for the amount that I spent. Like this stuff, this is really good quality work. So y'all, link in the description, book your Fiverr freelancer, y'all, because they actually are so helpful, especially for someone. I'm not trying to spend money to hire like somebody full time. So like just having these part-time little jobs that I need done, it's perfect to just go on here and get them. And you guys can use the Fiverr link in my description to hire a freelancer to help you with your small business like I did. And you guys will receive 10% off of your first order using code reinventingglamour. Comment down below something that you guys would need help with in your business. I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!